Alright team, look lively. We've got some big stuff coming up we need to go work on.
Oh. Okay.
Please don't crash, please don't crash, please don't crash, please.
You know, Kyle, he's our videographer. He does a lot of drone stuff. Not that good of a guy. Pretty much a horrible guy. Everyone in the office can't stand him.
Yep, sounds good. I'm going up to McCall this weekend for the open house. It's 4 to 7 on Friday, and then 12 to 3 on Saturday.
All right, Gracie, so we're going to make sure that we get this marketing out there and get these properties shown for all our great clients.
Hey, did you get that new transaction sent over to Elliot?
I'm gonna stick my hand in here and get poked again like I did last week.
Yeah, it's the funniest thing I've ever seen. Just go on YouTube and type in Dusty Fisher, watch what happens live, and then you come.